And lucky to have it on such a uncluttered branch in terms of leaves. And there we can see it panting again. They eat mainly fruits and berries, so I'm not sure what it's doing sitting in the sun. Oh, well done there, Andrew. But interesting that it went and landed in the sun when it was panting and all hot like that, so confused. No shame. I think it's looking for some water in this dried up mud wallow, but I don't think it's going to find any. Or potentially happy to have some snacks. What is it that it's feeding on there? It could be feeding small, collecting small stones which it will store in its crop, which aid in digesting and breaking up any food matter that they do feed on. And in the background there's two other birds. Well, now you can see a starling. The other one just flew off, and they really do glisten and sheen in the afternoon sunshine. In dull light they look almost black or dark blue, but in the sunshine you can really see them glowing. The go-away bird continues to pant quite furiously, and just like cats and dogs, they can't rely nearly as much on sweating as we do, so they need to pant in order to cool down. Okay. That just flew off is really beautiful, and I think we still are going to be able to show you a shot of it. It'll be a little bit far away, but they are exceptionally beautiful birds, and in this afternoon sunlight it's going to make for a cracking shot. Beautiful. So, a lot of you may know what this bird is, but for those of you who don't, it's called the Lilac Breasted Roller, and you can see that very distinctive lilac or purple breast and a beautiful turquoise underbelly. This one's an exceptional specimen with its tail streamers looking in great condition. There's long two black strands, a tail off from the base of its tail. we're quite fortunate that it flew from the right hand side of the road across to the left, because it means now we get to see it painted in this beautiful afternoon sunlight, whereas before the sun was behind it. And oh, we've got a visitor. Well, welcome, little starling. Two really beautiful birds modelling for us in this knobthorn tree, or dead knobthorn tree. Just to keep you updated on Brent's vehicle, there's still some kind of an issue with his ability to broadcast at the moment, so that's why we haven't linked back to him, and hopefully that situation gets resolved. But there is a small chance you're going to be stuck with myself and Andrew for the rest of the drive. But as I say that, I've just heard Alex come through on the radio letting Brent know that he's got signal. So let's hope it lasts, and hope it's not just limited to one vehicle for the rest of the drive.